My love for you is not best described in words. It is instead best expressed through actions and what I feel from my heart. I do not know how much love you feel for me. All I know is I am doing my best to show it to you because you are my beloved. I need you are like a heart that needs a beat. I cannot live without you, and loving you is not an option for me. It is my necessity. We were bound to be together, and now that we are, I am never letting you go. Finding true love is not easy, although I did not believe in the idea of love. I do it now, having you in my life.